Huyu ndiye amekufa.
Songe sasa. Na, lead the way.
Sawa. Okay.
Sasa tutamaliza saa hii. Rudi nyuma.
This is another time.
Anakuja. She's coming. Anakuja.
And this side, mwah. And this side, mwah. Thank you very much. You may sit down. I love you very much. This is your day. Mama boys ako mtaa. Na amekuja kubonga na boys wake. Leo ni kujienjoy. Sindio? So the MP for this area, our brother and son Zahil Janda, the county women representative from Mama County Doris, the principal of this school, members of the board and the chair who is here, members of the teaching and non-teaching staff, members of the county, both a national team, the security team that is with me today, esteemed guests and my dear sons, the students of the great Kisii School. How are you this morning? It's just 1 minute to midday. And when I look at these handsome sons of mine, I'm just excited. Nobody told you you are handsome? You are very handsome. I'm very proud of you. You know, I'm very worried because across this valley, there are very many girls, and I want you to finish school. You are too handsome for them. Before I go into what I'm good at, let me also bring the greetings of the one and only, the Rigi. Hivyo ndivyo mnapigia mtu wangu makofi. That is my first boy child, you know. And of course, I have 2 other sons, Kevin and Keith. They send you their greetings. And you know, you are lucky today, even one of the finest fathers in the land, His Excellency Ruto and Mama Rachel Ruto sends their greetings. You tell me, why shouldn't you this year, when you are 90 years, this school as disciplined as I can see, there is no height you cannot climb. The sky is not your limit. There is no limitation. You are going to get even more than what you have asked. And making sure that I am here, and some of them have been with you. There are others you see and also you don't see them. Please. This morning to talk to you as a mother. Do you allow me to talk to you? Do you want me to talk to you as a mother? Yes. Because one follow the instructions your mother will give you. There was a king in the Bible, and this king spoke about the mother, and I think about the best wife, about what the wife should be. It was not written by anybody else. It was not a song or something that was a piece that was written by a son dedicated to a mother. And having 2,800 sons before me, and many listening across the nation, I would like one day they remember what I say today. Proverbs 31, verse 1 to 7 says, "The saying of King Lemuel, an inspired utterance his mother taught him." Mothers are very important. It is the mother that carries every child for 9 months without anybody helping her. And it is the mother who feels the pain, both the son and even the daughter. This, everybody you see has to go through the mother, and education deliver it. The care, love, and character. This king says, that is what the mother said to thee. Because of the counsel, the industry of the mother, he became a king. And this is what he says. It is very interesting. Mother, listen, my son. Listen, son of my womb. Listen. Every one of you who is sitting here, it doesn't matter what background you have. Especially in the African setup, women pray to have sons. And if you are a product of prayer of your mother. Look at another one, tell them you are that the mother give to this king. Well, if you look at the other son, mimi ni mama boys. Tutaongea leo na tutasome. Spend your strength on the woman God will give you. News to say your vigor should not every one of you has a chance to become a leader. You desire to become, you can become. If first you do not waste your strength on women or your vigor on those things that destroy you. Kings must be kings, and royalty must be protected by integrity. Can you tell your person who is sitting, tell them Mama Boyce is saying loyalty must be protected with integrity. It is not for kings, my sons. He's called Ramuel. It is not for the kings to drink wine. You can tell the other one, Mama Boyce is saying, It is not for kings. It is not for leaders. It is not for men of integrity, men of valor and of substance to drink wine. Very good. We continue with the counsel. Not for rulers to crave for beer. Can you speak to the other one and tell them, it is not for kings to take beer, lest they drink and forget what has been decreed, and deprive all the oppressed of their rights. Now this is even more better. Let beer be for those who are perishing. Let them drink and forget their poverty. And remember their misery no more. Clap for yourself, you are doing very well. If I only say that piece and sit down, I think it would have addressed what has brought me to Kisii School. Many of you are here and you are very protected. You hear your mother speaking, you hear your father speaking. Please do not get anywhere that you will drink beer, illicit alcohol, drugs. They destroy. And they don't destroy, they destroy completely. Say they destroy completely.